Hey guys, it's Jess, and I'm excited to share the September 2019 Crafty Courtyard subscription box from Pink and Main. I am really excited to have received this box because it is full of fall goodness, and I can't wait to show it to you. So this little postcard comes in every single box that you get for Crafty Courtyard. It just changes to match the theme of the box, and when you flip it over, it tells you everything that you get inside the box. And I like to keep those to reference back to so that I always know what I have and what came in the kit, even if I separate them later. So the cool thing about the Crafty Courtyard is that the kit always comes with a mesh bag that has a zipper, and you can store all of the kit contents in there so that you can always keep them together if you want. And then once you're done creating with it, you can always reuse it for other crafty supplies or really anything. And I absolutely love that ability. So to start off with, we're taking a look at the cardstock that comes in this kit. You've got a nice bright white, a craft, and then some assorted colors that match the fall theme. I really like the way that these coordinate, and I think that they're going to be perfect for creating cards with. So now that we've had a chance to look at the cardstock that comes in the kit, let's take a look at the rest of the kit contents. Obviously, they are stored currently in my little mesh bag, so I'm going to take those out one by one and lay them here so you can take a look. So you've got some gorgeous baker's twine in orange, and then a orange and white kind of striped pattern. Then there's this adorable fall ribbon with like leaves, and the colors are so muted and just perfect for fall. I really like that, and I liked having those embellishments, things that you can add to your projects to kind of step it up a notch. And then of course we've got some flat sequins. These are really super cute. I love the colors. They're really good for doing kind of like in between fall and summer cards, because there is that period where it's not quite fall yet. You still have some green, and I like having that option. Then we also have these super cute charms. Now these I could see as earrings or being like little planner charms. There's just endless possibilities of stuff that you can do with those, and I really, really like the quality. They seem really sturdy and super, super cute. Then we've also got a set of tags. So we have 4 in the smallest size of that manila color. Then we have 4 in the larger size that are orange, and 4 in that same larger size that are green. So again, building up that color palette that you can use on your projects. Then we've also got these little labels here that can be used for place card settings or any number of things, even on your tags maybe, and they are adhesive on the back, so you can stick them right onto things without having to use an extra adhesive. You also get 4 envelopes in white, so that once you're finished making your cards, you have something to send them in. Michelle, who's the owner of Pink and Main, always includes those 4 envelopes, which I think is really cool because that's kind of a thing that a lot of people wouldn't think about, and I really, really like that. So there's also a 6x6 paper pad included in this card kit, and I really, really love all of the different patterns and the bright colors. A lot of times when fall boxes or kits or anything like that come out, all the colors are kind of the same. They're all like muted browns and oranges and yellows, and I really like that Pink and Main has stepped out of that box here and done some bright, vibrant colors along with those, because I think that they're so much fun. So I'm just flipping through here showing you all the different colors and patterns that come in here. As you can see, they're super adorable. Lots of cable knit that goes along with the theme for this box, and lots of bright colors right alongside those muted ones. I really, really like the way that these are going to work for cards, and I think they're going to be so super cute. All right, so now that we've had a chance to look at all of the super cute patterned paper in that 6x6 pad, I wanted to talk about something that's a little different with this kit than in the previous boxes that you've received, and that is the fact that there is a stencil. I love stencils because they are so versatile and you can use them for so many different things, and this one is super, super cute. So it's got that leafy pattern, which can be used for spring or summer, and of course fall cards as well, just by changing the color. Then you've also got this awesome 6x6 stamp set. So it's got this really cool cable knit design where you can actually make your own pattern of cable knit by stamping those 2 strips off on the right hand side. I'm actually going to have a couple of cards coming up soon as inspiration for you guys who are snagging this box. Everything is linked down in the description below, and I hope that I'll see you guys again for those inspiration videos really soon. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!